To modern ears, garum sounds disgusting, a sauce made from fermented fish guts left under the hot Mediterranean sun for months. But to the Romans, garum was liquid gold. From poor citizens to powerful emperors, nearly everyone in the Roman Empire used this famous sauce daily. Fish entrails were mixed with salt and herbs inside large stone tanks, where natural fermentation transformed them into a rich amber liquid packed with umami flavor. Massive factories across Roman Spain and Portugal produced garum on an industrial scale, though the smell was so terrible they were often built far outside cities. Yet despite the odor, Romans loved it so much that it appeared in almost every recipe, from meat dishes to desserts. Garum also became a symbol of Roman identity. Wherever Roman legions marched from Britain to Egypt, the sauce followed. It was more than food. It represented Roman civilization itself. Even after the fall of Rome, the legacy of garum survived, influencing modern Mediterranean cuisine centuries later.